name is Russell Smith, and I'm the Technology Facilitator for Fuquay-Varina High School as well as Carpenter Elementary, and I'm back with another Tech Tidbit. This week I wanted to explore a website that allows you to create digital presentations of all types for projects or for personal use. It's called LucidPress. That's www.lucidpress.com, lucidpress.com. And what it does, it allows you to create digital publications for use on the web or for print or for whatever you need, and even for mobile devices if you want. You can sign up for free. And as you can see, if you click on the pricing guide, you can see all the different benefits you get if you sign in for a basic account, a pro account, a team account. But in this case, we're going to sign up for a free account where you enter your name, your work email, and your password, and then you register. I've already registered for this account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in and join you in just one moment. Okay, I've signed into my LucidPress account, and as you can see, this is a free account. I'm going to give you the brief rundown of the dashboard before I continue. On the left-hand side, you see the folders for your documents, recent documents, my documents, and shared documents. You can share your documents that you create digitally. So if you share them, they'll be stored in this folder as well, or when you choose to. If you want to add a document or create a document, you click plus document, and then you can choose from a number of different templates. If you want to create a new folder, you click plus folder, and then you can give it a name. In this case, I'm going to be lazy and just call it a folder. And you see that it's been added as a subfolder for my document. Add a new document. And I have several categories, as I mentioned before. You have several for print, blank, brochures, leaflets, business cards, flyers, invitations and postcards, letterhead and stationery, newsletters and magazines, photo books, posters, and reports. And you also have categories for tablet, mobile, and PC, social media, if you want to have it for Facebook or Google+, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Tumblr, Twitter, YouTube, and so forth. In this case, for the purposes of this video, I'm going to show you how to make a digital poster. You have 6 templates to choose from, and you can change the contents of the poster. I'm going to go ahead and click poster 5. And once your template loads, you can change the view at the bottom of the screen. It's right now to 125%. I'm going to change it to, let's say, 50% to make it so you can see more of the poster. And as I said, these are templates, so that means you can change it and add in your own elements. So I can click that and delete. I can click that, delete, that, and that. Okay, now that I've deleted all the elements of the template, I just want to show you briefly the format of the page itself. On the right hand side, you can see that you can adjust the size and orientation of the page from custom to different sizes, different measurements if you want to change that. Right now it's at 18 inches by 24 inches. It's currently in portrait, but if I wanted to change it to landscape, all I need to do is click this button and it changes it from portrait to landscape. But I am going to change it back to portrait. You can decide if you want to add a header or a footer, and you can decide if you want the first page to be different from the other pages if you have other pages. You can adjust the margins here. You can change the color of the background if you choose. In this case, as I mouse over, you can see all the different colors that the background changes to. I'm going to leave it at white. And you'll notice here on the left hand side you can see that I currently have 3 pages on my document. If I want just 1 page instead of 3, I can click each one, right click, and either duplicate the page, create a new page, or delete a page, or create a template from the page. I'm going to delete page 2, and then this one as well. So right now I'm only working with 1. If I wanted to add a new page, on the left hand side, I click this icon for adding a page, and I can choose whether it's blank, a poster red, poster blue, or poster green. I'm going to click blank. But once again, like I said, I want only 1 page. I'm going to delete this one. If I wanted a scrolling area, I can click here, and this shows you that the dotted line shows you what's visible, and then you can scroll from the top to the bottom, or from the bottom to the top to view additional content. To add a text box, click on the T, and then click on your screen, and a default text box shows up with some generic type, and then you can click inside of it, highlight and delete the default text, and then you can stretch the width of the text box or the height by adjusting the nodes on the sides. You can also scale it this way, as you can in PowerPoint, Publisher, things like that. If you want to add a picture, click on Image, and you can upload an image if you want. And then you can click on it to insert. If I want to add a video, I click this button here, and you enter the URL for the source. In this case, it could be a YouTube video. So if I found this URL for this YouTube video for hurricanes, I could copy the URL and paste it into this box and click OK, or inserts the video for YouTube into this box. And then you can adjust the size of the box using the nodes here. If I wanted to insert shapes, I can choose whether a rectangle or a rounded rectangle, a circle, a triangle, or a right triangle, or a diamond, whatever it happens to be. Drag the shape onto my screen, resize it, make it skinnier, make it taller. If I want to add buttons to my poster, I can add different buttons here. For example, if I wanted to add a Facebook button, I could just drag it on and make it bigger or smaller. And if I want to add a table to my poster, it comes with a 4x4 grid, which I can stretch, and I can make the individual rows skinnier if I wish, or the rows I can make them longer or shorter. Table options: if I want to add a row, or above or below, or delete a row, or clear a row, or add a column, I can do that as well by right-clicking on the table. It's on the edge of the table itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and I'm going to take that time and I'm going to create a digital poster that talks about Hurricane Preparedness Week, because Hurricane Preparedness Week is May 24th through 30th this year. So I'm going to go ahead and use the elements of LucidPress and create a digital poster for hurricane preparedness, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I am back, and I've created my Hurricane Preparedness Week poster in LucidPress, and I am almost ready to publish and share it. The one thing I have not done yet is I've not titled it. You can see up here it's not titled. So I can either click here, enter my new title. So I'm going to click I'm going to enter hurricane, if I can spell. And click OK. The new title is here. I could also have clicked under File and click Rename, and it would have done the same thing. But I'm going to click Cancel. And now I want to share this online. Collaborators, that is. I can through an email address, and then I can include a message, and I can have them either choose to edit, to view, to comment, or make them the owner. In this case, I just want me to be able to view it. And I will click Send Invitation. I can also share it on the web as a published document. I could click Publish It. If I want to share it publicly, I need to publish it first. So I'm going to publish this. And it's publishing the document. So now it's created a standard link, or I can create a custom link as part of the LucidPress website, but I want to make this a standard link. So I can copy the link onto my clipboard if I wanted to. I can go to the link in a separate tab. And there's my published presentation. I can share it on social media through Facebook, Twitter, Google+, or LinkedIn. I can adjust my settings if I need to. I could unpublish it if I needed to make changes. I can send it out as a document in an email program, either small, medium size, or custom, at a custom width and height. Now, when you're trying to share your document in LucidPress, you'll notice if you are using the free version and you're trying to embed it, you'll see it's a premium feature, which you normally have to pay for. But if you click Start Free Trial, it's going to load your project again. And this time when I try to share it, I click on my website, and I'm going to generate my code. There's the URL, there's the embed code, which I copy onto my clipboard and switch on over to my website, and I'm going to pop in my embed code widget. Click here and paste my embed code into the widget, and it embeds the document onto my site, and I publish it and view it live as it appears to the world, and I successfully embedded the document onto my website. So in any case, that's a brief rundown of how you can use LucidPress to create your own digital publications. Thanks for watching. My name is Russell Smith, and I'll be back soon with another tech tidbit. Take care, and thanks a lot for watching.